So everyone, a lot of people asking me, why are you so kinis cutie? Why are you so mabango? Why are you so demure? It because, let's see. It because I'm probably using, I think, 4 years, 3 years ago, this one. I've been using this. Sobrang OA. So let's see how to make beautiful skin like this. Hindi. So, ayun, ang dami kasing, kunyari, may nakasalubong ako. Oh my God, ang kinis mo sa personal. Ang ganda mo sa personal. Naririndi na ako na parang paulit-ulit na anong skincare mo. Let's watch. Hanggang dulo ng video, kung gusto mong kuminis, gumanda katulad ko, manood ka. Charan! So, first, skincare. Done na kasi ako mag-shower. Shower! So, first, second, ang second is ito. Okay, I'm not using cotton kasi masyadong ina-absorb ng cotton yung product. That's why, konti na lang nalalagay sa face. Ganyan lang siya. So, after this one, let's use sunscreen. So, here's the new packaging. So, two-finger method, okay? Here. Let's taste it. Hindi mo ito taste. Ano ka? Hablega Volaru? Or Anshareta Valiti Compuris? Let's blend it out. Look at the details. Very good. Go. So, after that, let's, syempre, more a lot of person, oh, can I take a picture, cutie? Or, cutie, let's talk about it. We have meetings, we have, like, appointment and everything. So, I will use it, every person, inang hirap, English, eto. This is the, Unstoppable. And this is the Brilliant. Actually, my favorite is the Unstoppable one. This one. The white one. And the CEO of the Brilliant want this kind of situation, which is the Brilliant. Tama ka na? So, every time you check out and you buy some product of the Brilliant, dadating siya sa inyo na naka-bubble wrap siya. It's because that's why the product is so safe. Tama na. Hindi na kayo nag-i-English. Wala akong pakialam. Hindi mo na nga kaya. Tama ka na. So everyone, if you want to be a beautiful like me, so let's wait the 11/11. Nagtatagalog na ako, wait lang. Ini-invite ko kayong lahat sa 11/11 sa Lubong Sale ng Brilliant. Ayun na yun. Ang dami kong sinabi, yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin. So, mag-check out kayo, abang-abang, antay-antay tayo sa 11/11 yan. Flying kiss for you all, guys. Bye-bye. At meron tayong pasabog. Bakit? Meron tayong 30% discount voucher at meron din tayong free shipping. Saan ka pa? Tara. Hindi ko ni-edit, ah. Bye-bye. Flying kiss for you.